If you like lemon and chicken, I'll show you how to combine them into an amazing dish. I tried the recipe myself, and the taste was unbelievably good. Let's get to it. I have 2 chicken breasts here. Put the breasts in a Ziploc bag and squeeze some lemon juice in there. Mix it up a bit. You'll need to leave them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. I like to leave the breasts overnight. After that, remove them from the fridge. Use half a teaspoon of salt to salt both sides of the breasts. Add black pepper to both sides of them as well. Put some olive oil in a pan on high heat. Fry the breasts for about 4 minutes on each side. Turn the heat to medium and fry each side again for 4 minutes. The total cooking time will be about 8 minutes per side. Once that's done, remove the breasts from the heat and cut them into strips, or just eat them as they are. The lemon flavor is all over the chicken, and you can add it to your salad, fajitas, and many other meals. Enjoy! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this recipe. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know if you're going to try this. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next Try My Chow recipe video.